Now imagine I need to find the distance between two coordinates. Let's say this was A coordinate and let's say this was B coordinate. ठीक है? ठीक है? So AB, distance between AB will be, that's how it will be asked. Distance from A to B. ठीक है? That's how it is read. The formula is square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, do not focus on the formula. Do not focus on the formula. ठीक है? x2 minus x1 का मतलब है x वालों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. क्या मतलब है? x वालों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. क्या मतलब इस बात का? पहले लिखें a 3 minus 3, फिर लिखें b आ गया -4 1. फॉर्मूले पे गौर ना करें. आपने क्या करना है, ये वाला पहले लिखना है 3 माइनस, फिर नीचे वाला लिखना है -4, ठीक है, प्लस अब ये वाला -3 -1 होल स्क्वायर. वापस बताता हूं. सबसे पहले क्या करना है, x2 माइनस x1 का क्या मतलब है? डिफरेंस ऑफ x कोऑर्डिनेट्स. डिफरेंस ऑफ x कोऑर्डिनेट. जो x कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं दोनों के, ये इसका x कोऑर्डिनेट है, ये इसका x कोऑर्डिनेट है, ये इसका y है, ये इसका y है. x वालों को x से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें, y वालों को y से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें. सो 3 माइनस -4, 3 माइनस -4 होल स्क्वायर. होल स्क्वायर क्यों लगा रहा हूं? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला. ठीक है बेटा? ठीक है, प्लस y2 माइनस y1, ये मैंने ले लिया y, ये है -3 -1 होल स्क्वायर. एनी क्वेश्चन प्लीज आस्क मी राइट नाउ. ये ले कॉपी, जो कर रहा है कर ले. आई होप आपने डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला भी सुन लिया हो. any confusion? Another way, a longer way is what, कि दोनों कोऑर्डिनेट्स को आप नेमिंग कर दें. दोनों कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या कर दें? फॉर एग्जांपल a था आपके पास 3, -3 and b was -4 1. Now we know the first value is x, right? So we can say this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Now notice one thing. If I write this as x1, if this is x1, this cannot be y2. अगर ये x1 है तो ये y1 होगा, y2 नहीं हो सकता. अगर ये y1 है तो ये x1 होगा, x2 नहीं हो सकता. समझ आ रहे? नंबर सेम होना चाहिए. ठीक है? अब मैं इसको आगे पीछे भी कर सकते हैं. एक स्टूडेंट आया, somehow said, Sama is like, no sir, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to call this x2, y2, x1, y1. That's also correct. You can also do that. Naming, there is only one condition in naming, that is numbers. If one is x1, the next one will be y1. It cannot be y2. That is the condition. Otherwise, you can call them whatever you want to call. Okay? So according to this, according to Samha, I'll use what Samha said. Samha is like, sir, I want to call this x2, y2, x1, y1. I said, okay, fine, no worries. Then Samha said, okay, sir, I want to write the formula. Okay, no worries, better. You can write the formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. After writing the formula, you plug in the value. What is x2? It is 3. The formula has a negative sign. What is x1? It is -4. And then we have a square plus what is y2? -3. What is y1? That's how we follow the formula as well. We can do it both ways. You can do it directly like this, or it is better to this is better. Writing the formula first. Okay, now let's simplify this. Minus that is 7 square plus -3 -1 -4 square. Further simplifying, upon simplification, this is 49. This is plus 16. 65. We can use the calculator now. I think 8 point something. This will be the answer. Any queries as to how this formula is used? Any queries? Sama beta, is it clear? Sama beta, is it clear? Okay. Now remember that any word can be used for this. Distance, it can be length, it can be magnitude, and the fourth is it can be written like this. 4 different ways of asking the same thing. Let's move on to the second formula now. Let's move on to the second formula.